Hello, scientists. So the reason that you're watching this video is because you guessed that evidence A is a more strong piece of evidence, when in reality, it's actually evidence B that is more strong. So I'm going to explain why so that you can understand why you should have answered B and then make your adjustments. So evidence A shows us 2 bullet points, a map, and a graph. Evidence B only shows us a graph. So I know a lot of people are assuming that because evidence B is more simple, that it's less strong, but it's actually the opposite. So evidence A collected data on jellies that existed or were in one location near the shore right here. So every year, scientists went to the same location, counted up how many jellies there were, and then they made their estimate from that. Evidence B actually did a similar approach, but they counted estimates in many different locations and then made a graph from it. So the reason why evidence B is more convincing is because they estimated the jelly population using more locations, while evidence A only used one location. And remember that our evidence criteria is that the sample, or the amount that we are estimating, or the group we're counting to make our estimate, it should represent as much of the whole as possible. So if we're only collecting data from one location in one study and multiple locations in another, the one with multiple locations is going to represent as much more of the whole than the one with just one location. And that is why the correct answer would be B. So now I would like you to work on explaining that in your own words in the rest of your exit ticket.